All right, we need to solve for x. You can use the order of operations backwards. What do you want to do first? Someone said -4. Is that okay, class? Yes, it is. We're trying to isolate the parentheses. And this same method works with if you're solving absolute values. If I made these like bars, does this make sense? You would actually do the same thing. Okay. Partner B, tell partner A what's one way of doing the next step. And partner A, tell them the other way that you could do the next step. Ready, set, go. Diego, what did Grace say? She said multiply both sides by 4. Yes. Guys, today's lesson is to clear fractions. Let's write that. Clear fractions. I just thought of something. Ready? Every teenager always suffers from acne. And you want to clear it. I didn't know, so I'm teaching my kids. It sounds weird. If you didn't know this, you should wash your face twice a day, when you wake up and when you get home. So, now the temptation is to distribute into the parentheses. Everyone say no, no. This 4 only multiplies to the 1/4. Class, how do I make 4 a fraction? Put over 1. Multiply across. 4 times 1? 1 times 4. So I have 4 over 4 times x minus 2 equals 32. And what is 4 over 4? This is where we would say the word cancel. In this case, canceling equals 1. So I'm just left with x minus 2 equals 32. Class, what do I see right here? -2. Melissa, what's the opposite of a -2? +2. To go across the equal sign, which I kind of drew with this line, you need to do the opposite. So you have x equals, class, what number? 34. Raise your hand if you got x equals 34. Okay, let's now look. Let's see what this student did. Here is step number 1, 2, 3, 4. Class, tell me, is step number 1 correct? They didn't do anything, right? They just copied the problem down. Okay, step number 2. Yeah, we have it over here, 8, and they probably just subtracted. So when you're doing an error analysis problem, do the problem first, then compare. Step number 3, is that correct? What did they do? They see divide by 4, so they divided by 4 on both sides. Did they do the opposites? No, didn't do opposite. They might have been on their phone in class.